Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now, we talk a lot about all different kinds of pool-related things, and we talk a lot about fiberglass pools. But there's definitely one big question that a lot of people have when it comes to fiberglass pools. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to answer that question. And that question is, how much does a fiberglass pool cost? So let's dive in. Okay, so how much are you looking at to have a fiberglass pool installed in your yard? Well, it really depends on a few different things. When it comes to fiberglass pools, there's many different brands of pool manufacturers out there, and those different brands will be different quality. And then of course, when it comes to the installation, there's quite a few factors, including who's installing your pool, their level of experience and expertise, and then of course, other factors that are specific to the pool you choose and your yard. In general, we break down the fiberglass pools into 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. Your small pools are typically your 12-foot wide pools. Medium pools would be your 14-foot wide pools, and your large pools are your 15 and your 16-foot wide pools. And typically, with your fiberglass pools, you're looking at roughly twice as long as you are wide on the pool. So let's start with your small pools. So with your small pools, we're looking at 12 by 24, 12 by 25, 12 by 26, something in that range. To have a small fiberglass pool fully installed in your yard, you're typically looking somewhere in the 30s. So somewhere between your low 30,000 range and your upper 30,000, and sometimes even into the low 40s. All just again depending on the varying factors as far as the pool shape, other features of the pool, and other options that you may choose for the pool. Your medium-sized pools, which are typically 14 foot wide and typically somewhere between say 28 and 30 feet long, you jump up to a price point in your 40s. So again, some can be in the lower 40s and then somewhere in the mid and upper 40s, and of course depending on options that you put in, could be in the lower 50s. And now your large pools, your 15, your 16 foot wide pools by say 32, 35, even up to 40 feet in length, are going to put you into your 50s and possibly your lower 60s. Now these fully installed prices are including things like the pool shell itself, delivery of the pool, the excavation, setting the pool in place, backfilling around the pool, running all of your plumbing, your electrical, and even 3 feet of concrete around the pool. Now obviously you can do a ton when it comes to options, so that definitely could affect what your final price is, but as you can see, the fiberglass pools can definitely be installed at a much lower price point than your traditional gunite pools. And once the pool is installed and you're enjoying it for years and years, your overall cost of ownership is a whole lot less than on other pools. So not only are you able to get a nice pool installed in your yard for quite a bit less, you've got a ton less maintenance and a whole lot less cost for all those years that you're enjoying your pool. And now again, like I mentioned, there are a lot of different brands when it comes to the fiberglass pools. At Gary's Pool and Patio, we carry some of the top brands in the entire nation. And combined with our over 41 years of experience installing fiberglass pools in South and Central Texas, you know you're getting a very high quality swimming pool that's installed by the absolute best in the industry. If you'd like to get more information on what it would cost to put your dream pool in your backyard, just reach out, and you know I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. You can call or text 210-834-7054. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming. Oh, and while you guys are here, don't forget, like this video, share it out with anyone that you think may be interested. And of course, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you get notified of any new content that I add. I'll see you soon.